So look how far we've come. On today's video, I want to show the difference between the Hero 1 and the Hero 10. So buckle up because we are going all the way back to 2010 technology. But do you remember what 2010 was like?
You don't have to call and confess, we're looking for you.
I mean, I guess it wasn't that long ago.
Baby, 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 oh.
Now it feels like a long time ago.
Mr. Black.
Welcome to the channel where I love to review cool gear that comes my way, so don't be a stranger. I actually found the original GoPro here on eBay, and I just had to buy it because I really wanted to compare it to the Hero 10. So this is the original GoPro Hero HD. It's got a 5 megapixel resolution, 1080p, 30 frames per second. The lens is 2.5 millimeters f2.8, no stabilization, no live preview, no Wi-Fi, no GPS. There's no touchscreen, SD, SDHC storage, and waterproof up to 60 meters with the waterproof housing. So I have the two cameras mounted side by side, and we're gonna go for a ride around the beach and get some different shots. I have no idea how long the battery is gonna last on this thing, so wish me luck.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good.
Watch out now,
Cause baby, I feel real good and I wish I would.
watch out now,
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good.
watch out now.
Everybody watch out. Watch out now. I'm ready for a good time and I came to groove. The whole band's here and we came to move. Got a fresh haircut and 2 new shoes. We're here all night like we got nothing to lose. I'm coming out the jacket cause we're turning up the heat. I wanna see you clapping when you get up out your seat. It's time to make it happen when we hit these streets. I'm coming in hot and I can't be beat. Watch out now.
So here is the difference in video quality. You're looking at 5.3K resolution versus 1080p. Here's a couple of snapshots so you can see the picture resolution difference. And obviously the stabilization is not going to be as good because there is no hypersmooth on this thing.
I'm a man on a mission with no missions and I'm looking for love. Oh, I'm just looking for love.
This is what it sounds like, so audio test. This is what it sounds like, so audio test. So what do you learn from a video like this? Well, I learned that I do not want to be jaded by any of the new technology that comes out. I do see a lot of people get crabby because each new iteration of a product is not revolutionary, but when you think about coming from this only 11 years ago to this, come on. So that's phenomenal, and I applaud you, GoPro, and how camera conspiracies would call you.
GoPro surfer boys.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this video and I appreciate you being here. Do check out my memberships if you want to see some more behind the scenes content and some live stream hangouts and a lot more stuff. Also, I have a podcast called Tech is Hard where we talk about all the fun stuff about new tech and also being YouTube creators. So see you guys in the next one. Boom.